Hey everyone! Welcome to Gourds AI World. Today, I'm going to show you how to make awesome Bigfoot vlog videos in just 5 minutes using some cool AI tools in 2025. Whether you want to post on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, this quick guide has got you covered. Here's what we'll cover. How to plan your vlog scenes and script with ChatGPT. How to generate eye-catching Bigfoot videos super fast with PixVerse AI. How to edit your clips easily with free tools like CapCut. And how to get your videos trending with the right hashtags and posting tips. Alright, let's jump in. Step 1. Get your Bigfoot vlog idea with ChatGPT. First, ask ChatGPT for some fun Bigfoot vlog ideas. Just say something like, "Give me cool Bigfoot vlog ideas for TikTok or YouTube Shorts." You'll get stuff like Bigfoot POV, my day off, when you see tourists in your woods, Bigfoot tries DoorDash, or even when Bigfoot has Wi-Fi. Pick your favorite. Step 2. Break it down into 7 short scenes. Next, ask ChatGPT to break your idea down into 7 super short scenes. Think 5 to 8 seconds each. Make sure to get detailed scene descriptions, video prompts for Google VO3, and voiceover lines you can actually use. For example, you could say, "Hey ChatGPT, can you split Bigfoot tries DoorDash into 7 quick scenes about 5 seconds each? Please include detailed scene descriptions, specific video prompts for Google VO3, and matching voiceover lines for each scene." This way, you'll have a clear blueprint for your Bigfoot vlog. Step 3. Make your clips with PixVerse AI. Now, let's jump over to PixVerse AI and use their awesome text-to-video feature. Just paste in your scene prompt and the voiceover script, hit generate. And in seconds, you'll have a movie-quality Bigfoot short ready to go. Next, click on speech, select your new video, enter the voiceover text, and ding, ding, ding. You've got a Bigfoot video complete with voiceover, all done in a flash. Quick tip. You might be wondering, why not use Google VO3? Well, Google VO3 isn't free, but PixVerse AI gives you 70 free credits when you sign up 30 for text-to-video and 30 for voiceovers. So you can create and voice your Bigfoot videos without spending a dime. Here's a quick example prompt you can use in PixVerse. Bigfoot sitting alone in a moonlit forest clearing, looking frustrated and hungry, stomach growling, cinematic night lighting, mist in the background, slightly comedic tone. Voiceover. It's 12 a.m. and I got the munchies. PixVerse is super easy to use, delivers cinematic quality in just seconds, and is perfect for creators who want to go viral without breaking the bank. Step 4. Edit like a pro. Import your clips into CapCut. Add music and sync voiceovers. Add some fun text or emojis to make your video pop on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Step 5. Post and go viral. Post your videos with trending hashtags like GRAI Vlog, Bigfoot IRL, and GRAI Shorts. Share across TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels to get max views. And that's it. In just 5 minutes, you can create your own viral Bigfoot vlog using AI. If you want more cool AI video tips and tricks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow Gourds AI World. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.